So I'm back and I'm more freaking excited than ever because I am going back yet again for another round of piercings. This is gonna be my third time getting piercings done at the same place that I've been to in my last 2 videos. At this point you would think I was literally going there every single day, but I've just been vlogging the important adventures and things in my life, so that's why there hasn't been as much content. Like, I want to only do videos that are important to me and that are worth editing. I'm done doing unnecessary videos. But today I'm going back and getting 6 more piercings. The first time I got 5. The second time I think I got like 3 or 4 done. Both those videos will be linked down below. But today I'm getting 6, the most I've ever gotten in one session, and I'm going to be getting all of these done, all the ones that are circled. Both of these pictures I actually designed on Canva, and I basically put my piercings where I wanted them to go. Like, once every single piercing heals and I could put like whatever jewelry in them I want. This is like my end goal of like what I want my ears to look like on the left and the right. And it does look like a lot. I know this isn't some people's style, but I personally love them so much. Like I said, I literally designed it to look exactly how I want it to look. And most of the piercings I already have, even though it looks like a lot, I do already have a lot. I currently have 13 piercings between both ears, so I'm super excited. However, I am a little nervous for today. I've never been nervous for piercings just because I've had really good experience with them, especially the parlor I go to. It's super clean, sanitary, professional. Even though I'm going to be getting all the piercings that I need left to complete this look over here, it's not going to look the exact same yet just because I can't swap out some of the jewelry until it's 100% healed. And there's also some that I already have piercings for that I just need to purchase the jewelry for. I have a 3 o'clock appointment, so I will see you guys then. I'm now all done. That took about 30-45 minutes, and I'm so obsessed. Apparently I don't have like the anatomy basically for like an industrial piercing. I don't have enough, I guess, like cartilage, or I think she said ridge, to get an industrial, or at least to get one without it having issues or healing problems. So we both improvised, and I just ended up getting these two matching forward helixes that I have right here over on this side. Except since I have a cartilage over here on this side, I'm gonna end up getting like a chain once they heal to, like, you know, kind of dangle to this cartilage over here. And then I have the 3 up top, which I actually am freaking obsessed with. Like, even without the hoops. I knew that I would not be able to put hoops in them yet because you have to wait till it's healed. So I'll go back in like a couple months for that. But for right now, it does look so good. And when I go back to get the 3 rings for these, I am going to also go back and shorten the post on the forward helixes because they have to be a little bit bigger when you first get them done, so they have room to like swell and like properly heal. And then over here I got, it kind of looks like a rook piercing, but it's a vertical helix, so it goes out the top, which I love. I am going to eventually change it out to have a regular stud up top, like one of these, to hang out the top, and then there's going to be like a dangle piece of jewelry, so it's not going to be like this big piece of jewelry. I kind of just put that in for the time being, which it looks really good, but definitely not my end goal personally. And then, like I said, I'm gonna get the ring and the conch, and this one, when I get the ring, is gonna go over here. So I now have all of my piercing holes done. However, I am gonna probably do an update video just because there is still gonna be quite a bit of change as far as like jewelry and stuff. If you guys are in the Bethlehem, like Easton, Allentown area, I would definitely recommend Obsidian Parlor for tattoos and piercings. I also came here for my tattoos literally a couple weeks ago, and they're just so amazing. They're so professional, clean, sterile. The staff is so friendly. They answer all your questions so professionally, and they're just so freaking nice. The first set of piercings that I got done here was actually by Andy, and he was amazingly perfect as well. So the entire staff there is just great. And these last 2 times I got Luna. I will have all of her information over here. She's so sweet and comforting. I would definitely go check her out. I can't wait for these piercings to heal so I can see the final result, hopefully sometime in the beginning of summer. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also comment down below how many piercings you have. I currently have 19, and I'm definitely done for a while. Probably forever, but I don't know. You never know. Maybe I might want to add like the tragus or something. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and also to follow the journey of these piercings. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.